Hey guys, I found something to race and it's gonna be cool. I don't think you ever saw that, but it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna have a nice race here with a fire truck. The guys from Clarence Rockland has agreed to do a race with me, and let's go. So battery, no, propane powered, right? Electric. Battery and battery. Oh, there we go. Okay, we're gonna go pretty far, but anyways, you guys say 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Turn on your siren. And we have a cop. Maybe the cop's gonna want to race us. Let's go see if the cop wants to race us. Did we get busted?
I think we did.
Yeah, we get busted drag racing. Sorry, we're drag racing with a little car and this guy.
Fine. Hopefully I don't run over anything.
No, everything's fine.
Yeah, we lost pretty bad. Yeah.
Well, thanks for playing with me. Awesome, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.